Okay, these are the 3 kittens I kept. The one looking in the camera is Beaver. The one that is pumpkin colored is Pumpkin. And the black and white one is Feisty. And this cat is Critter. Critter is Beaver's mom. And Skitter, who isn't around at the moment, is the other two's mom. I had to give 5 to the Baltimore SPCA. Hopefully they'll be adopted quickly. Critter is giving me fits because she comes in and she wants right back out, and then she wants right back in, and then she wants right back out, and so it goes all day long if I let it. So on Friday, the 3 kittens are going to the vet to get their first shots and all. And that's the update I can give you. Everybody's healthy, it seems. Feisty here has CH, which I'm no expert on, but apparently it's not a great debilitation, but it's a he, is kind of small. So I guess I'll let Critter go out. Oh no, she's going to take a nap now, I guess. That's fine too.